Bori Wildlife Sanctuary and Satpura National Park, where Advait is studying leopards, is situated in the heart of India. Bori is also the oldest forest reserve in the country and has some of India's best bamboo and teak forests, rich in plants and animals. The langurs are present everywhere. They're important to the other species in the forest since their alarm calls will warn others if predators are on the move. And the spotted deer will listen. They are prime food for leopards and tigers, and know to stay vigilant. Advait has more than one reason to choose Bori as his study area. The forests are rich in wildlife, and because few tourists ever visit, the area is peaceful and allows for undisturbed scientific observation. There is yet another reason that makes this area especially valuable to Advait. Here live the Gonds and the Korkus. For hundreds of years, they've lived in the forest. Even today, the forest is a part of their daily lives. This day, providing them with fruits from the mahua tree, which they use to make a local drink. The rock paintings scattered around the forest are ancient by any standards. They are a link from the past and show a close proximity between people and the wild animals. It is this link and the knowledge it represents that makes one of the tribal men special to Advait. Bichu will play an important role in Advait's research project.
My field assistants are pretty invaluable to me because they've been living here for a long time and their ancestors have been living here for hundreds of years. They know the forest really well, so they can identify tracks of animals and places where animals hide.
Advait feels confident enough to send Bichu to set up a camera trap in the forest to identify the culprit responsible for the killing of a poor forest villager's livestock. And it gives Praveen a chance to test the remote infrared night vision camera unit, so the animals will not be disturbed at night.
Along with Advait's traps of a still camera, I've also set up a video camera trap. And let's hope whatever killed the cattle is going to get back.
In the Bori Sanctuary, Advait is still wondering about which role different leopards are playing in the people-leopard conflict. He feels knowledge is lacking and that studying them in the wild holds the key. But observing animals, especially leopards, is not easy. Sightings are fleeting glimpses. And Advait is on the lookout for a special leopard, one he has observed in the past, and one he hopes holds the key to his research. Inside the Bori Sanctuary are several villages. People here farm the land as their ancestors have done for ages. With villages scattered across the area, wild animals must share the space with domestic livestock. This brings the cattle into harm's way of predators. It's easy to understand how a conflict can arise out of this situation. And a rotting carcass will provide evidence. Though a poor villager loses livestock, for Advait, this is an opportunity to understand whether leopards are to blame for the kill. And Advait and Praveen are lucky. They get a visitor to their camera trap. Not a leopard, but a big male tiger. This is the cat that has been killing the local cattle.